squishy edition. So there are just 10 questions, and there's like this or that, or like something like that or that, or something like that. So the first question is food or character squishy. Oh my. Sorry, the bunny's back there. So for food or character, where's my character? Oh yeah, character. Food. This is food. Just my banana squishy. Versus my Happy Bearson red. I really like squishing this one. It's like, yeah. Sorry, my sister's over there, but anyway. Question 2. Hello Kitty or Real Akuma? I don't have any Real Akumas, but this one is a LACEY'S. But honestly, I'd rather have a Real Akuma. But this is my Hello Kitty one. Work girl. No, I'm joking. Versus this one, I'd rather have a Real Akuma. I threw it way faster. Oh, here's the bunny paying us a visit. Okay, question. Ow, she bit me. Question 3: Bretto or Ayama Tokyo? We do not have any at the moment because we just recently started collecting squishies. As you can tell, only have 3 drawers full of them, but you know, whatever. Compared to Purple Banana and like Kathy DM and like the ones that are like up there in the squishy community, I have like this many. I'm joking, but seriously, I have like 1/4 of what they have. But yeah, we just started collecting, so I don't have any Ayama Tokyo or any what's it called? Bretto. Sorry, I have the questions on my phone. Smell or no smell? Smell. Obviously, because you know. But like, who would not want a scented squishy? She went on me. This one smells like peaches, obviously. And no, it's not eye bloom. It's just like. You do not stop chewing on me. Okay, next question. Tiny or big? Tiny Gudetama or big? I'd probably have, oh, this is tag for little Kuma. But I'd probably have to pick big because I don't really like squishing tiny squishies. This is my big cake. Oh. This is like super surprising. And it's also scented, so that's just like a plus. Sorry if the phone's moving. The bunny's chewing on the tripod. No! Now Liz yelling at it. Openable packaging or sealed packaging? I'd rather have openable packaging. This one is ripped, but yeah, openable packaging. Bread or cake? I'd rather have a cake one compared to bread. This is my little like thing. Sorry, I forget what it's called. But it has like coconut shreds on it. My sister's over there eating a donut. No, bagel, I mean. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So, obviously I'm gonna pick cake, but bread squishies are still, you know, fun to have, so. So So yeah, it's still not done rising. Which is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna put that back in there. It's still rising, I can hear it. Store and be shopping or established site shopping? Established site shopping. Chocolate or vanilla? Chocolate or vanilla? In this case, vanilla. Oh yeah, this was the no scent one. That was the one for no scent. Like the first question. No, that was the fourth question. package openings, or squishy tags. Honestly, package opening, because you know, I just like opening, packaging, and getting new squishies. So yeah, that is it for this video. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this video. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.